Welcome back to Lord Kitchener. आज यहाँ पे
attained
इंडिपेंडेंस
freedom.
डे तो देख लो.
But freedom was not just granted to us, or it was not given, but it was earned. It was earned through courage, unity, and all the sacrifices. And on this day, we remember all the sacrifices of our great freedom fighters. And we attained freedom with a strong belief that we deserve much, much better.
ये माइक से हो रहा है तो वॉल्यूम
Different
थोड़ा बढ़ा
states,
लेना.
we may speak different languages,
तो आवाज आ.
but under one sky, one flag, one
Abbas!
nation that's India.
आवाज हेलो.
We stand united as one single community. And as you all know, if you see Sri Ram Summit, I always felt it as a mini version of India. A mini version of India where we have people from all around.
Okay, let me ask you this.
Sorry for the technical glitch. Let me ask you this. What means to you all as freedom in our community? My dear friends, any thoughts? Any thoughts? What it means to you all as freedom?
Freedom to play. Freedom to play.
Okay, if you ask me, I would say children should play
Tiki.
in a respective area. And as I mentioned, Sri Ram Summit is a mini version of India. Ability to celebrate all festivals, regardless of the state, regardless of the religion.
Tiki. Side जाओ side.
I would also say, you all have to be part of our discussions without being judged.
Guys.
And every voice should be heard, every concern valued.
इनको पता नहीं है.
Lastly,
लोग को पता है नहीं
freedom
पता.
to say maintenance is not good. That was the goal. Thanks for not topic. And
इनको पता है.
as I mentioned, to summarize,
ये अपना चैनल
freedom in Sri Lanka Summit, as for me, it is feeling safe, respected, united, regardless of the wind, regardless of the flow you say, and regardless of the language you speak. Okay, I don't want to extend my speech, but as an association president, I have to announce few more
गाइस
points here.
देख सकते हो आप
Just to
कितना
follow
भीड़ है और आवाज़ नहीं आ रही तो आप वॉल्यूम थोड़ा बढ़ा देना. 50 से ऊपर
The
मत जाओ.
festival is a small sapling plantation drive.
फोन में देख रहे हो तो फुल वॉल्यूम करो. टीवी देखो तो 50 से ऊपर मत जाना.
So I would request, after this event, I would request the kids to take the lead because kids are our future of Sri Ram Summit. And when it comes to the association points, the main action item that I would call out was, the barbecue area that we've been working on, we are trying to complete and available for residents in another couple of weeks maximum. And our association members are trying hard to set up an ATM and a pharmacy inside the campus. And thank you. I would thank all the association members for all the effort. But just keep in mind, it's just like the starting phase. We are in the discussion, but we're updating the progress. And as an initiative, can we practice base segregation? So association members, what we are trying to do is, we are trying to set up a process with our maintenance staff, wherein they would be trained the process of segregating the waste, but to help them, we need to segregate it.
देख सकते हो.
And when it comes to the lift maintenance, we are trying to sync up with our vendors to make sure that unplanned maintenance is coming down. And when it comes to security, as you all know, we have a new security that has joined, and we would be streamlining the process of entry and exit. And in addition, we are trying with a few other processes and suggestions. So you can reach out to your respective team members if you have any feedback or suggestions. And Johnson will be for a meeting on every second Saturday of every month, starting from 17. So if you have any feedback that you want to get us addressed, you can come over to the maintenance office and send it. And I should be sorting it out. So
Tanner!
before I complete this, I just wanted to
Guys,